What if I told you that you could recover your lost or stolen phone? Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be teaching us how you can recover your lost phone by using these few steps I'm about to share with us.
On another device, click on any phone browser of your choice. For me, I am using Opera Mini. On the search bar, type in www.google.com/android/find. Click on search and another page will open instantly. Click on sign in. Then put in your email address.
Remember, the Gmail that you are going to type into this Google Map site should be the email that has to do with the stolen phone.
When you are done with the email, press next. Provide your password and press next. Give it a few seconds. As you can see, the device name just appeared, Redmi 8. It is trying to locate where my phone is in Nigeria. This device is still searching. Okay, as you can see, my phone is somewhere in Akwa Ibom, in Akwa Poli, pointing the exact place where the phone needs to be found. So this is a very big clue on how to begin our search. We now know that our phone is somewhere in Akwa Poli, so the search can begin from there.
As long as your cell phone is on, even if it is off, the last minute that the phone was on is going to display, so you still have a clue to where your phone is. Now, this is where the whole thing will be getting very interesting. I am going to be showing you how you can use this location to trace your phone very easily. But I want to tell you something first. I will strongly advise you, before you go into this search for your phone, that you should at least involve the police or the special authorities, because this is their area of expertise. So involve them.
As you can see, the battery percent of the phone and the service provider of the phone is being shown. Follow the direction where the phone diagram is pointing. You need to follow that direction to where the phone is. And when you successfully get to the spot where your phone is, click on play sound. If your phone is in silent mode, this play sound will automatically put it back on general mode, and it's going to ring very loud for you to be able to trace your phone.
If you're a business person, you want to secure your documents, your files, and everything that has to do with you under your phone, you can click on this button to secure your device depending on the option that you choose from the list given. To proceed, click on the secure device button that is marked blue. Then follow the procedure to protect whatever file or document that is inside your phone. There are some people that have bank statement and all that in their phone. So by the time you follow this procedure, you will lock your phone and buy yourself some time to be able to figure out how to recover your phone before the